So we did it, YouTube. We reached the first target before the end of the year of 500 subscribers. And I want to say a great big thank you to each and every one of you for joining me here on YouTube to continue keeping up to date with any of the information, news and tutorials that I'm hoping to continue sharing with you as we move forward into 2020. Now, because of the way the privacy laws work on YouTube, I'm unable to see each and every subscriber unless you have your subscriptions list set to public. So in order for me to undertake a 500 subscriber giveaway celebration with the pendant that I've been showing you over the last couple of weeks, what I'd like you to do is just drop a comment if you wish to be included in the 500 subscriber pendant giveaway, just down here below in the comments on this YouTube video. I won't be looking for them over on the Facebook or the Instagram, just here on YouTube. Drop me a comment if you want to be included in the pendant giveaway, and then I will be able to tag you here on YouTube once I have drawn a winner. Thank you so much for joining me from October, November and December of 2019. It's been an interesting end to the year, but I'm really delighted to have had your company and your absolute wonderful reassurances and your support over the last couple of months. And I hope to continue to be able to deliver interesting, informative, sometimes useful tutorials and chat, etc., both here on Instagram and on Facebook. So if you wish to be included in the 500 subscriber YouTube giveaway, drop me a comment below here on YouTube and I will get on to doing that in a couple of weeks. Have an absolutely fantastic new year. All the very best to each and every one of you. Bye for now.